Hi there, this is Paul again, your universal friend. Welcome to the Universal Science Foundation channel. Today is day 41 of our 30-45 challenge, and I've come to walk and run on a street called Kpolu in Mamprobi. After spending some time on health, we want to spend some episodes on life, and we started a series on life, and we zoomed in on biological cells, and we wanted to focus on research. We want to find out how did the knowledge of what we have today as cell come to be. And yesterday we had an overview of what perhaps the first person to initiate research in cell biology did, notably Robert Hooke, who was an English polymath. Today we want to say some few words on a second notable person in cell biology research. The person's name is Antonie Leeuwenhoek. He was a Dutch businessman and later scientist. He is rightly so well known as the first microbiologist and the first microscopist. Now we'll come back to those terms which are deeply scientific, and perhaps we'll elaborate more on them. But basically, he was a businessman who was dealing in textiles, and he wanted to see more details about his textile material. And then he developed some interest in microscopes. And from there, he started observing and experimenting on tissues. And he was the first person to observe what is now known as microbes. And from 1673, he kept a copious and continuous correspondence with the Royal Society of London. Back then was one of the most prominent scientific societies on earth. So that's how he communicated his findings. Even though he didn't write a single book, he wrote quite a number of articles explaining his findings. So he described his findings after Robert Hooke's cell, but he called them small animals, and that's what we call today microbes. So that's all for today from Kpolu Street in Mamprobi. Subscribe, comment, and let us know what you think about this channel. See you in the next episode.